breaking news coming in. Narcotics Bureau has launched a manhunt to trace an actor whose name has emerged during the interrogation of South African national Agisialos Dimitriades and director Sahil Kohli. The said actor was under the NCB scanner in connection with the drug consumption and distribution. The actor, according to the Narcotics Control Bureau sources, was summoned by the agency. The identity of the actor still has not been revealed by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials just as yet. The NCB officials are presently conducting a search at a residential premise in Mumbai. This is in connection to the Sushant Singh Rajput drug-related case being investigated by the agency, in which Riya Chakraborty is an accused. The South African national Dimitriades is now sent to judicial custody. He's the brother of actor Arjun Rampal's girlfriend Gabriella and was in touch with several peddlers. And those peddlers have been arrested in the case. That's the latest that is coming in. Divyesh is now joining us for the very latest. Divyesh, through the South African national Agisialos Dimitriades, who happens to be the brother of Gabrielle, who is Arjun Rampal's girlfriend, they are trying to trace down a very important actor in the Bollywood film fraternity in connection to this entire drug nexus. Do we have any indication on who this actor would be? And if you could just bring us up to speed as far as where does the NCB probe stand as far as Gabrielle's brother is concerned?
Chaiti, as of now, the Narcotics Control Bureau officials have told us that there is an actor who was under scanner after the arrest of Agisialos Dimitriades, who was arrested last weekend by NCB in connection with drug distribution and regarding his links with several peddlers, several top peddlers who've already been arrested in the SSR drug probe that is being conducted by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This actor, our sources told us, that was summoned but now has gone absconding, and that is why NCB officials have launched a manhunt to trace him and so that he could be brought in and questioned. Meanwhile, there is a search that is going on in Mumbai itself at a residential premises. NCB officials have not shared details on particular whose residence is being searched right now, who's the person involved. But these are the details that have been confirmed through our sources in NCB, who have said that the said actor who was under scanner, who was under probe, was asked to join investigation, has gone absconding. A manhunt has been launched to trace him, and this could lead to revelation of a bigger network, a bigger nexus of drug distribution that had been going on, where several Bollywood actors, filmmakers and various others working at production houses were involved. Remember, Kshitij Prasad, an executive producer who had earlier worked with Dharma Productions, was also arrested. He's also one of the accused, and his arrest led to the arrest of Agisialos Dimitriades, who is now in judicial custody. He was in custody of Narcotics Control Bureau till yesterday. Yesterday, the court sent him to judicial custody, and NCB officials did not seek his remand further. Meanwhile, there's a search going on in Mumbai itself, and what our sources from NCB are telling us that a bigger drug network has come to light, and that is being probed by the agency.
All right, so that's the latest coming in right there. Manhunt has been launched by the NCB to trace this particular actor. The NCB sources have not revealed who this actor really is, but this is coming in regards to the questioning of Agisialos Dimitriades, and that's the latest coming in. Remember, he happens to be the brother of Gabriella, who's Arjun Rampal's girlfriend. We'll keep you updated as and when we go along the way and more news trickles in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.